So I, Dr. Anil Kumar Dubey, Associate Professor from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today lecture we discuss about the intelligent agent, that is the part of artificial intelligence. So basically we already know about the artificial intelligence is what, that is the programmed to natural intelligence basically. What the natural intelligence is, that they are programmed through that is called the artificial intelligence. In this particular part, the intelligent agent is a major role. They are just doing performing all the activities, completing the task, computing them, and just like a human body is that means all the attributes like taking the input data, computing them. After that, result is visible to the society, that have the capabilities in intelligent agents. So we have discussed in this particular lecture in details about the intelligent agents. So next terms. So that are the outlines for today lecture. First about the basic terms, introduction about the intelligent agent is that, then agent types, and the third that is rules of intelligent agents. Now introductions. An EI system that is composed of an agent and its environments. Means basically two terms are there. First one is the agent and second one is the environment. So that are they have combined basically. So agent acts in their environments, and environment may contains other agents. So environment just like a society or social environment that are, and agents just like a human agents just like this. So agent they are working within the environments, and environment they have the capabilities more than one agents are that. An agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through effectors. So agent they have received the informations from the environment through their sensors is that. The sensors are the devices they support to provide the data informations from surroundings to the agent is that. So that is the architecture of intelligent agent. Here two parts is that, first one is the environment where society is that, and second part is that is the agent. So from the environment, by using the sensors, a agent can perceive what happened in the environments, that are the informations within the environments for every activity, a task what they have target to solve. Again, agents they wish to complete their task or jobs by using actuators. So actuators just like the hand, legs are that is in human body, that is the actuators in agent is that. In case of the sensors, like your eyes, ear, that are just like a sensors in human bodies are that. And whatever the agents they have do the by using actuators, that is again visible in the environment is that. So that they are related. So one environment may have a multiple agents. Now agent types. So three types of basically agents are that. First one is the human agent. Human body is that, living personality is that. We can say in sometimes that is the actor, either active or passive actors, both actors are that. So human agent. Second one is the robotics agent. Robotics are terms are that. Third one is the software agents. So first part that is the human agent. They have the sensory organs such as the eyes, ears, nose, tongues, and skin parallel to the sensors, because every organs they are sensing the data from the surroundings. And other organs such as the hands, legs, mouth for the effectors. Whatever the human body are doing the activities, that is effectively visible through these effectors. Means if you are talking some words, then you are using your mouth, so that are the effectors. Means you did not receive the data through this, and you receive the data from the surroundings through your eyes, so that are the input terms. Like a sensor is that they sense out from perceive the information from the surroundings or societies, and you talk through mouth. So that are the factors. Similarly, you are performing some activities. So by using hand, legs are that. So that are the effectors. Now, second part, that is the robotics agent that replace the cameras and infrared ranges finders for the sensors and various motors and actuators for the effectors. Just a robotics agent, a robot is that they perceive the information from the surroundings. So what happened in the surroundings, according to that, they are doing the activities, they performing their actions on that. Third one is the software agent. In software agent, they has the encoded bit string as its programs and actions. Software agent can have the keys to file contents as sensory input and acts on those inputs and display output on the screen. So output is the just like a, yeah, output part that are the in screen, and the file keywords and that are the software agents. They have through sensory inputs are that. So three types of agents are that, basically human agent, robotics agent, and software agents are that. Now agents types terms are that, like they are using the sensors, they are using the effectors, they are using the actuators are that. So sensor is what? Sensor is an electronic device. They are designed basically for the specific task to solve with a specific characteristics, to solve a specific problems. So sensor, that is a device which detects the changes in the environments and send these particular informations to their electronics devices. So that is the basically sensors is that. Like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, smoke sensors are that. They have just a smoke sensor, they have just sense out the smokes within the range is that. So they are designing just for the these characteristics, so that they considered the within the range there is a smoke or not. Similarly, temperature sensor they have designing. Second part, that is the actuator. Actuators are the component of machines that convert energy into the motions is that. So basic role of the actuators is that they are converting the energy into motions. Actuators are only responsible for moving and controlling a system. And actuators can be electric motors, gears, rails, etc. is that. Now, third part, that are the effectors. Effectors are the devices which affect the environment basically. For human agent, hand legs, that are the effectors. So they affect the environment. Effectors can be legs, wheels, arms, finger, wings, fins, and display screens are that. So that are the effectors. A lot of effectors are that. Now we have focused about the rules of intelligent agents. So intelligent agent, basically for four rules are that. So intelligent agent is a goal directed agent. They are targeting about their goal. It receives its environment through its sensors using the observation and built-in knowledge, acts upon the environment through its actuators is that. Now we have discussed about the main rules of AI agents is that. Rule 1: an AI agent must have the ability to perceive the environments. If they have the capabilities to what happened in the environment, they have received such type of data and information from the environments correctly. Second rule is saying that the observations must be used to make the decisions. Means they have relate one or data or information they have received from the surroundings environments, they relate to another data whatever they have received continuously, so that they can take the decision at final level. Rule 3 is saying that the decision should be results in an action. Whatever the result they have planned or think, that will be visible in action mode, not only in the theoretical terms is that. Last rule is that the action taken by an AI agent must be rational agents. So that are the four rules. First rule is what saying? They are saying about they perceive the informations from the surroundings. Their capabilities is that. Second capabilities, they are saying that the every information they can connect to each other, so that they can take the decisions about this. Third one is that the whatever the decision they have planned, that will be visible in physical mode, means action mode they are planning. Fourth one is that the action taken by an AI agent must be rational agents is that. So now we have discussed about the characteristics of intelligent agents. So few characteristics are that some levels of autonomy, they have the capability to work on their own. They have learned the same time, and next time they have automatically planned about that. Second capabilities are that characteristic, like they have learned the abilities every time they are learning. means new terms they learn, scaled their capability. Next one is the ability to interact with the human system and other agents. Means they have the capability to interact with another agents within the environments. That agent may be human agent, robotics agent, or software agent is that. Now, new rules can be accommodated by the intelligent agent incrementally. If an intelligent agent is designed for the one rule and next rule is occurred, they also accept such a rules and increment that particular rules and so on. So that's why in future they have the major capability to resolve the issues for the society. Mm. Inclusion of the knowledge base. So whatever the informations they have perceived from the surroundings, they can connect to each other so that the problem, whatever in the society, they can resolve. Otherwise, they can solve whatever the jobs they have given. So that are the some characteristics of intelligent agent. Now there are three references about these particular terms we have discussed: R. Russell's and P. Norwin books and M. Aim Jones books of artificial intelligence, a system approach, and Gerhard Mills, the multi-agent system is that. Second edition of MIT Press 2013 is that. Oh, thank you.